While the rest of us scroll through shorts of fame and fortune, this is the real work that keeps our society from collapsing. These guys are the literal unsung heroes of modern civilization, and we need to appreciate the people who actually hold our world together. This maintenance worker is tearing down the very thing making our societies viable, with no fear or anxiety. He doesn't need any red carpet, no fangirls, just him, a wrench, and a tidal wave of pressurized water. And now he's slapping on the replacement plate like a surgeon closing a wound. Every bolt tightened is a small victory against chaos. We'll never know his name, but we all understand the quiet pride of knowing that his work matters. So next time you turn on the faucet or drive down a paved road, remember